Okay, once again, this is Tammy Sue Stufflebeam coming at you. Royce, the ID. Identification card. James Elder Royce Jr. was my husband. I don't know who this other Royce is under this mermaid game, but I figured all that out myself, and it's almost as if someone's, well, taken my figurations and made a video game out of it, but this is not a game. If they did, anyway, see this rock here? This is the key. You match it to Doppler radar's mountainside. You know, you zoom it in until you find these colors. You follow the map until you find these colors. And when you find these colors here, you see them colors right there? You see how much they match on Doppler radar? Get out your Doppler radar on your phone. If you have a laptop or you have a computer, it's best if you look this up on computer and then compare it to your Doppler radar on the Play Store. You can download it for free. And then you take and you match this to that mountainside, both sides of it. And you'll find where the breaks are going to be. Because, see, these are keys. And you find the one that matches it. See how much it looks like a key right there? See that? You follow the greenish, brownish areas. And then you tell me when you can find a face in there, because I already have. See that right there? Does that look like molten lava on this phone? Doesn't it look like molten lava right there? And you'll find out where the molten lava is and where it's about to come up. See where the reddish spots are right there? Where it's about to come up. However, you take all sides of it because it's a key. Now you got the darker one here. This is the darker one, and you match it to the darker spot on the map. It's like fitting the keys. Natural keys. These are natural keys. See that? I told you I'm a natural geologist. And this is what a natural geologist does. Compares these kind of rocks to those areas. Because these are keys. You can tell by their shapes. They're keys. You see that right there? These are keys. And I found these rocks here, right behind Martin Luther King Boulevard. I'm not sure if this one is a key. I think it's just a rock. But I know that those two there are keys. But this one don't particularly look like a key. It looks like a spot on the map. However, I do remember seeing this spot on the map. See, let's bring it up. Yes, I've seen these spots on the Doppler radar. However, I'm not sure if it's a key, like it is before. But if you fit it into that spot, we'll find out what happens. Kind of looks like that spot over there on the ground where I was showing you on my other videos of the volcanic acid seeping to the ground. See that spot right there? This one here. That spot right there. That's what it sort of kind of looks like right there. That. Right in here. All of that. It looks like that spot. However, check it out. It's a 1,000-legger, a centipede, hitching a ride. See it? See that 1,000-legger centipede right there? It's hitching a ride. But anyway, yeah. Compare it to the spots on the map. On Doppler radar. This perhaps might be a key by its shape. The shape there that's round. However, that doesn't mean it is. That doesn't actually mean that it actually is a key. But anyway, now you know what I do. Those keys I have to keep. I have to keep these keys because when it comes time I'll have to slide them into place. Well, anyway, thank you. This is Tammy Stufflebeam Royce. Let me get out here where you can see my face. You've seen all that. Thank you very much, YouTube, for your support and everything. And I'm going to list it under volcanic keys and rocks and acids.